Freedom. For me, it's being who you want to be and going where you want to go, without limitations. This year, I traveled to Iceland with my team to document the alarming levels of glaciers receding. We went on narrow dirt roads, across rivers and through valleys to get to the most remote and untouched places we could reach. Experiencing Icelandic nature like that, you almost feel like you're on another planet. Being far out there, away from people, away from power, I think that's where you can really experience new things and grow as a person. And for me, that's what freedom is.